Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on screen sharing on the Zoom application. So all you need to do is to follow these steps. First, open your Zoom application and log in into your account. After that, you will find and see such an interface here. So first, either you can join a meeting so you can start sharing your screen. Otherwise, you can create your own meetings by clicking on new meeting and you will be able to host the meeting. And basically here, we will find at the bottom this toolbar that will allow us to do multiple operations and manage our meeting here. So either you can start recording the meeting, etc. etc. What we are interested in is sharing this screen. So simply all you need to do is to click on share screen. You choose any screen that you want to share. And of course you can share your iPhone, iPad if you have some screen mirroring, and also you can have some advanced screening. So let's just screen some whiteboard as an example here. And as you can see, let's move on this toolbar. And this is the screen that we are sharing. And of course, it is our whiteboard here. And basically, this is an example. So you can see how your screen looks like in the sharing. And of course, you have a variety of options on each screen that you have. Also, you can pause the share, you can have some chats, etc. etc. If you want to stop the share, you can just go here and go again and start sharing screen. And of course, you can have multiple participants that can share simultaneously if you want, or you can just go to security and allow the participant to share screen. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.